Hey, it's Walt from Dirtfoot Racing. Wanted to show you, we're working tonight on the swing arm. I have one of the bushings I'm going to press in with this clamp. Just wanted to show you that, how it goes and all that. I had the bushing in the pipe that I welded in. They basically measured the same, the outside diameter and the inside diameter. So it's actually squeezing in really easy. It's not putting up a lot of resistance, which is good because at some point we'll wear them out and have to replace them. So probably have to replace them after the 24-hour race we're going to do. We'll have to see how they wear, but maybe we'll go to more of a conventional bearing versus just having the bushing with basically it was just two pieces of tubing with rubber or a rubber type material laminated between the two of them, so it gives you some shock resistance or whatever in the swing arm. But let's see how close we are. We're almost there. So I mentioned the other day when I was doing this that I had misplaced one of the bushings, and I'm still missing that bushing. So tonight we are going to weld on the mounts for the swing arm, and I'm going to have to fab up something quick just to center this bolt in that other side over here because I can't seem to find the bushing. So stay tuned. We are getting ready to use the plasma table to cut out those mounts, and as soon as we do that, we'll start welding on. Here's the result of my insertion of the bushing into the swing arm. That's what it looks like. So we've got to come up with something temporary on that side, and then we'll put the bolt in and weld the mounts to the frame. All right, everybody, this was our first shot at the mounts for the swing arm. Cut it out of some 3/16 plate. This is not bad, but we're going to change the design a little bit, make it a little longer on one side, and we're going to try to incorporate on the opposite side of where I'm looking right here will be the mount for the brake master cylinder. So we're going to try to incorporate that into this mount also. So stay tuned here. We are going to cut another version of this. All right, here we go. This is the closest side to where we're looking, and this is the far side. These things are going to come down here, and they are going to go like that, like that, like that. This side over here, I don't drop it more. We'll possibly get the master cylinder for the disc brakes mounted to it. We'll see what happens, but yeah, that's the basic idea, guys. So we are going to attach these to the swing arm, and I'm going to get ready to start welding them on. Well, in the welding space here, we've tack welded on the mounts. Gonna have to put the front end on and take a look and see if things are straight, things are crooked. It's really hard to tell. I don't trust this frame. This frame's nothing I think is parallel from side to side, front to back. So we'll just have to put things together a little bit and see what it looks like and go from there. Well, we got it back on the pseudo stand, about the normal ride height, about the normal ride height, with the mounts welded on, tack welded on. The front's actually tack welded on too. It's not finished welded yet either. I'm waiting to do all that to the very end, but you can kind of get a pretty good idea how she looks, and I think she's looking pretty good actually. So
yeah, this base plate's not level, so gotta fix that.
we'll just kind of see if it's if things are turn that front end a little bit. I know, no, back. So you think it's straight?
But what I'm saying, the base plate isn't level, so it's holding the bike.
Yeah, we've got.
That's more close to level there, at least on the base plate, and if that's level. Make that level. That's a whole lot
Yeah. Things are looking pretty good. We've been looking at it. Kind of lift up the back wheel there to get an idea. But yeah, it's going to be cool. Coming together. Yeah, we got the mock-up engine back in and threw the handlebars back on, and just kind of getting more of a feel for how it's going to look and what do we have to do. There's still plenty to do, but that was a major thing, getting the mounts on for the Swingarm. And we did that tonight. So this is coming together. 24-hour bike, soon to be at a mini bike event near you.